just in the bath, and I decided while I was in there, I'm gonna make a video. And now I'm regretting it, so I don't know what to do. I literally just got out of the bath. It was nice though. Bath bombs. Best thing ever. Especially the scented ones, those are nice. I don't know. I like good smelling things. They're huge too, like look at this. Look at these are like those really big, they look like jawbreakers. I used this orange one this time, and made the bath look like pee, but it smelled nice. Should probably start draining that soon. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna put this up as